This is the first video, pinhole camera POE. What we're going to try and do here is predict what the image of a candle will be, or a light bulb, depending on what the equipment we're going to use here, what the image will be projected through a pinhole camera. So what we've got here is a diagram that we can use to predict. So here's our picture of our flame on the candle, and only the candle itself, where the light is actually going to be projected. The wick is lit on fire. Light's going to come from it, going to go through the hole here, and then be projected on the back of the screen here. But the wax of the candle, you know, that there won't be part of the image because there's no light coming from it that will be passing through the pinhole. So we're going to make a prediction here. So the best way to do that is we're going to assume that light travels in a straight line, and we're going to send a light from the top of the flame through the pinhole. So when we do that, we get something like this. So the light's going to pass through the pinhole from the top of the flame. Okay, we're going to add an arrow to show the direction of the light, and we're going to send light through the pinhole as well from the bottom of the flame. Whoops, bump there. Okay, so there we go. So the top of the flame should be here, and the bottom of the flame should be there. So we should get something like this. Okay, and you know, that's the bottom of the flame there. So we're going to have to be able to make a prediction now in terms of what the image should look like in this situation. So what's the size? Is it smaller, same size, or larger? Well, when you look at that there, the flame is larger compared to there, so we're going to say larger. And the attitude, is it right side up or upside down? Again, when you look at the flame, it's now upside down. Okay, and it says here, if light does not travel in a straight line, what would be the predicted image? And there's a number of things that could probably happen. The size, attitude, clarity, etc. Of the image could be different. We don't live in a world or a universe where light is bending unless there's a lens involved in some way. So it's hard to actually make a prediction, but some way that image is going to be different.